Everyone loves a smooth and beautifully iced buttercream cake, but if you're looking to switch up your buttercream designs, a textured cake is a great alternative. We are starting with an already crumb-coated and chilled cake, and we're gonna add a nice, even, and thick layer of top coat. I always start with the top of my cake, and I'm gonna flatten that out as much as possible and bring it down to the sides. So we want to make sure that our top coat is thick enough that when we press our offset spatula into our icing to create the texture, that it's not going to reveal the crumb coat underneath. So I'm bringing it down around the sides, and the goal is not perfection, but we just want to get it as even as possible. Try to make it as even as possible, but we're gonna go ahead later on and add our texture so it doesn't have to be perfect. So we are gonna smooth out our sides. And you only wanna go around about once or twice. The goal is just to smooth it out a bit, even it out. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in any little gaps that I might see. If you're enjoying today's video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Now that our cake is fairly even, we are ready to start our texture design. You want to start at the bottom. You just want to make an impression. And we're gonna go around our cake. When you reach your starting point, that's when you want to slightly elevate your spatula. And it's just going to wrap around the entire cake. I'm going to occasionally stop to just wipe off my spatula and continue where I started. And you're just gonna keep elevating your spatula until you reach the top. Now we're gonna add texture to the top of our cake. So you wanna start right in the center, and you wanna just press into your buttercream gently and just spiral out. And you can choose to give this cake a rustic look by adding some fresh flowers or Gumpaste flowers. You can also decorate it with sprinkles or any kind of fun and decorations that you have. And today I'm gonna add a couple flowers. I have a few Gumpaste flowers from our line of Eau Creme, beautiful Gumpaste flowers. So I'm gonna be using some carnations and roses. Is the final look. I really love the rustic feel that the Gumpaste flowers have given this cake. We have linked all of our flowers below for you, so if you want to check us out at BakeDeco.com, we have a line of beautiful Eau Creme Gumpaste flowers and royal icing flowers. We also really love how easy and quick this design is. This is great for any occasion. So make sure you leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think about this design, and we hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to subscribe to the BakeDeco channel for more content like this.